how to pronounce months with an Australian accent. Australian accent tip. Australians make sounds like A, E, I, O, and U very long, usually. January,
January,
February,
February,
March,
March,
April,
April,
May,
May,
June,
June,
July,
July,
August,
August,
September,
September,
October,
October,
November,
November,
December.
December.
You can find other lessons on our Australian Accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.